channel and welcome to today's video. Facial oil. As a matter of fact, anti-aging facial oil. Now, facial oils are amazing for the skin. It helps with dry skin. It helps to boost collagen. It helps to get rid of wrinkles and fine lines. And it also helps to repair the skin. Now, there are several different types of facial oils that you can use. However, the main facial oil we're going to use today is an anti-aging facial oil that is rich in vitamin A, C, and E. This facial oil also contains omega-3. It's a facial oil that you can use directly on the skin on top of your toner, or you can mix it in your facial moisturizer, or you can use it on top of your facial moisturizer. So if you're looking for an anti-aging facial oil with all the natural amazing benefits for your skin, follow me to the kitchen. I'm going to share a quick recipe with you, and then I'm going to show you how to get the best result from using this facial oil. Our first oil is going to be a carrier oil, and a carrier oil is an oil that is used to dilute other stronger, more concentrated oil. So my first oil is avocado oil, and I'm using the avocado oil for its anti-aging properties. Avocado oil is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, omega-3, all the electrolytes. Therefore, it have to hydrate the skin. It have to reduce the wrinkles and fine lines. It also have to lock the water in the skin and keep the skin hydrated. Avocado oil will have to boost the collagen. It's an amazing natural oil to use on your skin topically, especially when you're seeing the early sign of aging. A perfect anti-aging facial oil. So I'm going to use a tablespoon of the avocado oil, 1 tablespoon for this end. And next I'm going to reach for some more concentrated oils. These oils are the special oils that are known to help the skin to look better. They are cold press or first press oil that is rich in antioxidant. Now the first oil is rosehip oil, and rosehip oil is special because it has vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. Very similar to the avocado oil, except the avocado oil have omega and it also have electrolytes. Now rosehip oil has been used for centuries on the skin. It is mostly used to boost collagen and reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. However, you can use rosehip oil all over your skin. You can even use it on in your hair and on your nails. So I'm going to use a teaspoon of the rosehip oil. Let's pour this in. So now here in our bowl we have 1 carrier oil and we have 1 special oil. And now we're going to add a second special oil to this mixture. My second oil of choice is pomegranate seed oil. And pomegranate seed oil is also another amazing oil to use for anti-aging purposes. Pomegranate has been used in skincare products for centuries. It helps to reduce wrinkles. It is rich in vitamin C, and vitamin C is an antioxidant that clears pigmentation on the skin while boosting the collagen production on the skin. Now a good substitute for the pomegranate seed oil is some cucumber seed oil. So we're going to use round about a half a teaspoon of the pomegranate seed oil. Pour that in. And now we are going to mix, and we're going to mix well. We're mixing our carrier oil, which is avocado oil, and our 2 special oils, which is rosehip oil and pomegranate seed oil. And now we're going to kick this up a notch, and we're going to add some retinol to this. Now when you hear about retinol, you always think about vitamin A, because retinol is really vitamin A. And in today's world we now discover an amazing oil known as the bakuchiol oil, and this oil has been taking the anti-aging skincare world by storm because this is now known as the new retinol alternative, natural retinol alternative, this bakuchiol oil. Now this bakuchiol oil is extremely strong, very, very concentrated, so all you need is a few drops. Today we're using just about 2 to 3 drops in this mixture, and we're pouring this in. You can see how rich this bakuchiol oil is. If you know nothing about the bakuchiol oil, do yourself a favor and read up on it. And now we have all our special oil. We want to keep this oil a little longer, okay? We do not want to have to use this oil up way too fast. So we're going to find something that is going to neutralize all these oils together to keep the shelf life longer. We can choose to use some vegetable glycerine, or we can choose to use some vitamin E oil. Now you can also choose to use both in this recipe. Today, however, we are just going to use the vitamin E oil. Now vitamin E oil hydrates the skin, and it's used in many skincare products. When you're making your homemade DIY facial remedies, this will help to keep it 2 to 3 days or so longer. Very much used as a preservative as well as an hydrator to the skin. So we're going to use about 1/2 teaspoon of this vitamin E oil. No vitamin E oil and you have the vegetable glycerine, go ahead and use that, and let's just pour this in. And this is about 1000 IU. If you have an higher IU, use just about 2 to 3 drops in this recipe. Now we're going to mix, and we are going to mix well, totally diluting all the natural ingredients together, mixing and mixing well, completely blending all the amazing oils together. Blend and blend well, especially when it comes to the bakuchiol oil. You need to blend it in the other ingredient. And now this completes our anti-aging facial oil. And here you have it, your anti-aging facial oil. Now, if you want to make more of this oil, go ahead and double up on the ingredient. Store this on the countertop. No need to store this in the refrigerator. To use this facial oil, all you need on your skin is 1 to 2 drops. Massage it on the skin. Press it on the skin first. While you press on the skin, don't forget to go down on the neck and décolleté, and then you are going to massage this on the skin. This oil is good to use AM and PM, but because we have the bakuchiol oil, which we're using as retinol, it's best to use in the PM. So apply 2 to 3 drops at night on the skin, massage it on the skin, go to sleep, and wake up with amazing looking skin. It's good to use every day on the skin. Before you know it, you're on your way to younger, fresher, beautiful, radiant